My people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening. For today, I did for one location. The location when I did, I come monitor water connector. We one of our viewers from do talk show give a guy water connector man, make it fit for your house. I come monitor for today. In front of me, and the water connector man be this. Okay, good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir.
I want to talk to you. So, my name is Sabuya. What about your name?
My name is Mr. Obina, Mr. Water Connector Man.
Okay, what are they and the work when one of our viewers give you? Now, come monitor, you will take me there and the work, whether you don't do or you sit there on it before they show me. Okay, water connector man, what you go let our viewer when they patronize you through this our channel, particularly the one we give you this job.
I have to say thank you for all my customers that have patronized me before and the ones that want to patronize me now. I say I'm grateful for all you do. You understand? Even the one that gave me this job. I say God bless you so much for giving me this job to do for you. Yes, we never lack and more money to come in your accounts, more money to build more houses. That's my prayer for you and my other clients that patronize me. God bless you all.
Amen. Our viewer, before you give them our client to work, you got to call our number CD on top of this video. Okay, we go start.
Okay, so this house now we do on yesterday.
Okay,
so,
yesterday or
yes,
Sunday?
Yeah, no, Sunday yesterday. Yeah, so
I believe your work.
So this one, if you see this work now, you see this burning now,
Yes.
This one that'll be the one I talk for video. This one 135 inner.
Okay, 135
if
inner.
You see the shape of this one now. This one is different from the rest. I will show you the main inner.
Yes.
There are two types of inner.
Yes.
So now 135 because of the penny. So this work now with professional experience.
Yes.
Because of people they do this kind of work, they even see this kind roofing. Like this they go run because you not fit one. And the way they know the after and the normal inner and the normal outer.
Yes.
So this one they don't finish the job perfectly. We use water test run and use water pour am. So everything work perfectly.
Work perfectly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the first dropping.
Yeah, this is the first dropping.
We'll see the first dropping.
Yes. You see, we put elbow for there. They get some people now. They put elbow for this place. So we use elbow.
Okay,
so
if the water they come out from here as a piece of, but you not go shock this.
No.
Okay,
Wow. Flow where.
Okay, move. They look and they go.
Okay, sir.
After. Not be after they call this one?
And after they
okay,
call this after. So now the funnel.
Okay, wait for
You know say we do the funnel. You see do the outer too, the same thing.
Yes.
So
okay, that is the second dropping.
Second dropping, and you see have to come down. And because you see this place, we can't use two elbow for here. Normally you see now the place straight.
Yes.
Or use 3 elbow. As this place be like this, because na pillar. You can't use 2 elbow for here.
Okay, 2 elbow. It's alright. Not so.
Second dropping be this.
So make for they okay.
They okay. So make it lap well.
Where would they go?
See that same inner way they talk about. So no sense so different. Now I will show you that inner way at the top of video. This one different from that one.
It's alright.
Yes, sir. So this one the third dropping with this.
Okay, this is the third dropping.
You see how solid it is. If you shake them, you can shake them, make it
solid. Show them our viewers. It's strong.
Yes, sir. So
okay. Another drop is there.
Another drop is there. So I feel like the 4th dropping because what you use for this house now 10 dropping. You see as I come down with elbow.
Okay.
Screw here.
Yeah.
Screw that side. 2 concrete money. You screw the elbow. You screw the funnel. All tally. The same thing we do for the ones where you know the video they come.
It's alright.
Yes,
money.
Yes, sir.
Sunday here on our
for Sunday here.
That means any client give you work. If you or Sunday you come.
I will come.
May you do
to satisfy my customer.
It's alright. Yes, very good idea. Very good idea.
They say this country now everybody they meet off with money now. There is no day. They say no food for this country because of the way things. The cost of
I see that one.
Dropping there. What do you use for this line? Actually dropping.
It's alright.
I use for this side, sir.
It's alright.
So you see you join out with the joiner with the wrapper with silicone cup.
You
see this hanger. 1, 2, 3, then 4. And we use for all any house where we go.
Yes.
Now 4 hanger.
Made for strong.
Made for strong. Made for solid. Now you're the thing. So
another
dropping for you. So I go make them now 5 dropping like this now.
It's alright.
5. So
okay, want to go?
Yes, sir.
Now viewers, say you really finish The work.
Yes, sir. You see the back now, we use two for the back.
Okay, two for the
Because
back.
place white for the back. So it's some people now they go use one pipe for here. You see,
And you not go hold on.
no go hold am now because you know say if this work be say like now if you go dey use one pipe make e serve over 3 gutter.
Yes.
You go serve am o. Go serve am o but every time go come the pressure from that water you go make am dey sack. That's why you see say some gutter dey sack because of say their pipe wey dey put for here that pipe no fit accommodate am.
Yes.
If you look at am now this one go serve one pipe for this side, you see another pipe for there.
It's all right.
So from this side and this side go serve am. So e go balance.
Yes.
E no go be like say this one go dey difficulty no go dey for the gutter. E go dey follow slow well, e go dey flow well
Good.
for ground. That's why we no dey manage pipe. Yes sir. Because of workman na because say money. No, I dey do like that. Yes sir. I go tell my customer say straight I wan use for the house na 10 and na that 10 I go use for the house. Not be say and this one I will use water test now.
Okay, test strong
The place test
place
you see
may-
some
okay.
you see some water now with the ground you use water test am.
Yes, yeah.
So that will be the thing for the work. Yes, sir. See on another type I
Yes.
dey for the back too.
Okay, we'll check the rest.
Okay sir.
And at the owner choose this black. I've been like you put the black for.
Now you also can say now black in your skin.
Okay, you need
because
black.
the roofing.
Oh,
dey
it
black.
match the-
match am.
Okay.
So,
Is the other dropping? Yeah.
yes, sir. So this place now what we to say as you, that way you pour water for here.
Yes.
The water come dey go this place.
Okay.
Come out for here as you test the water the flow even when we come ourselves we never leak. That will say how professional we are. So as professional now make the water not too much for this place for one pipe you come put one pipe for here.
Okay.
So make it ease the
Make
pressure.
for hold on.
Make it ease when you hold am make ease the pressure.
Yes.
So any water wey dey come you no go dey give am much pressure for this side. But
right.
if just some workmen now they say okay since na one pipe all dey full use one pipe for here. You no go put pipe for here.
You know work like
For that place no go work.
Okay.
And if you work now the thing go come dey pool you come dey sack because you dey find water for this Benin here.
Na
Benin
so
Edo
rain
state
dey
so rain as you do now you don dey go rain na every day and rain go still fall today.
Okay. Now the other drop is be this.
And the water drop will be this one, e come down. So if they come out now, see another water, you go push the water.
Come this
outside.
side.
Yes, sir.
Where they go?
I want to show you inner. That inner I want to show you. Okay, no, I don't pass. I want to. I don't forget.
Okay, inner.
See that this inner now. So now very this place very as in intellectual job for
Yes.
you. If person will not sabi this work, they will run for this job.
Now we go here?
Yes, now we see here. Now
No,
security has this one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See the security house.
I see the dropping.
Yes, sir.
Very strong,
Yes,
strong,
sir, strong.
strong. Okay, move. Come this side.
Around the security house.
Okay, around the security. Come out from
I
outside.
want for outside. Yes.
Okay. More reach the outside. No see any workman monitor. I go.
Okay.
I will let me reach.
No problem.
Wait
Sir.
for stop.
No problem. Sir.
Then our viewers
Okay, sir.
see the work. Me the see and say
Yes, sir.
you really finish the work.
Yes, sir.
Not be boo boo yes. Okay. Now here for end.
Yes, sir.
So you there. So my people, the water connector man don't take me around the work we do for this very house. Say don't finish and do a perfect work. So Oga, like how much cost the owner we take fix this water connector for your house?
What you call this house? If you see this house now, you know, say I talk my people they say because of the corner for the place. Because if this my chairman house where I
Yes.
live for am on Sunday, na corner way full and those things where I dey explain for the inner.
Yes.
Those things they expensive
Okay.
for market. See both the security house, the main house, the labor, the material and transportation. Now 399,000, but we negotiate for 385,000.
Okay, 385.
But now 399, but we negotiated. So any work where they give me is negotiable. Not be say I give you work, I give you price. You say na short price, not be short price market. Any price we'll negotiate the price.
Okay,
You know how
any
much it be.
price,
Yes,
any work they give you,
yes, any work they give
you
me.
talk the price, it then negotiable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you quick call your number when you have you have finished.
Okay, my number now 070 69 78 6509.
On that number, they will fit reach you.
Yes,
You
sir.
could call that one.
08033884611.
My people, I greet you for time to watch this video.
Yes, sir.